Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this very powerful 110 volts electric air balloon pump. I've already tested many different pumps and I found out that we really need different kind of pumps. We have pumps for very strong things like tire inflator, we have things for large devices, we have electric duster, we have many more things, and this is the perfect thing to inflate air balloons, especially for birthday parties or so. If you have to inflate a lot, I mean, it's super easy to inflate 1 or 2 balloons, but if you do more, everybody knows it can be really exhausting, and with this thing it just happens in a couple of seconds. It's absolutely amazing. I can tell you, you have to watch this thing, how fast this works. It's absolutely crazy. And so I'm going to show you everything what you get in the box and how it works. And so that's the box. Here is some description, also some caution and features description here and more. But let's open, see what we get. And so here we have the pump, also with some accessories, and the pump itself and the user manual. It's just 2 pages. That's the front page and that's the detail page. So here on the side we have the power cable, nicely stored and attached directly to this device. We have the opening, can close it again. Then we turn it off, plug it in. And so we have 2 options to fill. We have this push nozzle here. Whenever we attach a balloon, push it down, it will start to inflate. And on the other side we have the continuous mode, where we have to use this switch. So we can leave it on for longer time, for example, and fill many balloons. But of course we can also do that. Here on top of that we have 2 of these smaller nozzles. We can put one here and even put one here if you need smaller nozzles. And so let's try and see how this works. Put it on top. Yeah, that was definitely super fast. So we can see the huge difference, for example, compared to using a tire inflator where it takes almost 2 minutes for just 1 balloon, or for a duster where it doesn't work at all. So the inflating speed is definitely super fast, much faster than everything what I've seen. And so I've been a little bit worried that I would burst a couple of these balloons. I've inflated now about 10 for the birthday of my son, and not a single one has burst. That's for sure also something which is important to know, that you can easily control this, either stop it here or just remove it right on time. The air balloon inflator is very strong, but of course it doesn't have endless power. So there are some balloons where it is still a little bit struggling. For most of the balloons it's absolutely no problem. So when we put this one on top and push it down, you can see it's not going to inflate, but there's a little bit of a trick. So you can have it still here and push it down, but we have to close this opening. And then it's still inflating. So that's because there is just one motor inside with one fan, and it's delivering the air to both of the nozzles. So when we are closing one, it has more power on the other side. And this tying tool here works really nicely. So what you do, you secure the end with one finger here and then wrap it around, and then you can easily knot it around here. You can see we have it here already, and then we remove it and then we have the balloon finished. So that's definitely the perfect solution. So I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.